Hello everyone, my name is Jutan Ahmed and today I'm going to be unboxing a CF Express card by Lexar and Lexar's adapter. Stay tuned. So I think we'll start off with unboxing this adapter. Just a quick note, I actually took a big risk purchasing this. I purchased it from China. I don't normally buy electronics from China, but everything else is great there. But yeah, I thought I'd take the risk because it was on such a great offer. I don't think it's a scam. All the reviews said that it's legit, but we'll find out anyway. I'll probably update the comments and pin it if it was a scam. But anyways, let's begin with the unboxing. I'll move this away for now, out of the frame. Right, so this is the packet for. I need the handy knife out because there's a bit of stuff here that I need to cut. Okay, okay, I've just torn the box. Let's just go this way then. Okay. Oh, very nice. This is very tiny. I thought it would be much bigger. I don't know why I thought this case would be much bigger. Interesting. Okay. And there's an adapter there too. So USB-C and a USB-A. 3.2. Okay, let me just pop this on the floor. I would show you the cover properly, but the thing is, it's all in Mandarin. I can't really read Mandarin, so maybe you guys can. Anyways, let's put this away. So this is the adapter close up, just so you guys can have a look. The front and back, as I normally do. So I'll start with the actual CF card now. I'll show you the front. I'll leave this here now, and that's the front and this is the back. The sides are actually nice as well. They obviously show a bit of information. So this CF Express card, obviously it's meant to be the top of the line. It's very expensive. I basically purchased it for half price. That's why I'm saying it's very cheap. But this will work with the A7S III, the FX, the cinema line of Sony, and yeah, this is what I basically mainly purchased it for. Let me just cut it and start the unboxing itself. There we go. And cut. There. I know it looks like I'm doing it so aggressively. And today I'm not being safe. I'm not putting the knife away. Let's see how this looks. Wow, that's tiny. I don't know why I thought it's going to be like a CF card. Wow. Okay. There's nothing in the back. I'll throw this on the side. This is the CF Express card in a box. I'll take it out fully. That's how it looks. This is how it looks. Interesting. So some of the benefits of having a CF Express card is if you're doing many gigabytes worth of filming, they have up to 900 megabytes write and up to 800 read speed. It's super quick. It's for people that have a lot of content that they're filming and they want to transfer. These CF Express cards are very portable. They're very durable. They actually look good in my opinion as well. Even better CF Express cards which go up to 2000 megabytes a second on transfers. The temperatures normally stay low. There's obviously encryption that you can do with all of these CF cards, but mainly it's for the fact you can take hundreds and thousands of photos in a snap. Okay, I might have exaggerated by saying hundreds of thousands in one snap, but the shutter is so quick on these CF Express cards because it writes super quick. Comment down below to let me know what your thoughts are on this. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you pop a thumbs up on this video. Do comment down below if you have any questions and if you would make a purchase from China regarding the CF cards. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe, and yeah, you'll get notifications of my new videos. Lastly, everyone, as we know, let's not forget, together Let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. Let's go. See you guys next time. Take care.